My last No Peek Chicken video blew up. So this time I'm making again, but with your suggestions. I started out with the same base of 2 cups of white rice, but this time I used 1 can of cream of chicken and 1 can of cream of mushroom. I then filled one of those cans up with some chicken stock. This was by far one of the biggest suggestions, was to add vegetables. So I grabbed some fresh broccoli to add in too. Again, I cut up 2 chicken breasts. And of course, I used some Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse to season. I tossed until they were evenly coated in the seasoning and then added it directly into the pan. So far, both recipes have been very similar. But I love that you could add pretty much anything to make this type of meal work. I added the fresh broccoli directly on top, and someone else suggested adding some cheese. So I threw some shredded cheddar on top of that. And instead of using the onion packet, I used some crunchy fried onions to top it all off. I covered with foil and popped it into my oven that was set at 350 degrees and literally didn't look at it for an hour. Flavor was top notch. Can't wait to try it again.